Hi, and welcome to That's Amore Cheese. I'm Giorgio Linguanti, and today in the Our Cheese Report we will talk about my first love, the first cheese I started to make when I started my business, Bocconcini leaf. It's an amazing product, very unique and very special, but still very exclusive. It's practically a mozzarella Bocconcini flat. What it means flat can be used for so many different ideas, like rolling with other ingredients or decorating food and other more. And the best for do that will be our chef Dario. Then we go and see him in which way he suggests to us.
One of the first cheeses that Giorgio ever made here at Amore is the Bocconcini leaf, okay? If you heard him talk before, you always hear the funny story about the name. I just want to show you a quick way and a fun way to use this product. This is the packaging that you can buy with, and it's the mozzarella leaf after I drain it up. As you can see, it's like a Bocconcini leaf. So I want to show you a little trick. I know it will look a little bit weird, but it helps a lot to work with the Bocconcini. So as you can see, I take some Glad wrap and I put it on the top of my bench or on the top of a chopping board. And what I'm doing is I'll layer up the Bocconcini leaf on the top. A sprinkle of salt, like normal, as a good Italian would do. Salt, just a little bit. And I'm gonna add some beautiful orange rind that we give to our dish that zestiness. I'm gonna put some rocket to make it healthy, and I'm gonna use some fantastic salmon. Again, this is just an idea. Don't be too strict. That's all. That's what it is, Italian food. Don't be too strict. This is just an idea. It's not a recipe. So you can use anything. You can use salami in there. You can use prosciutto. You can actually put other cheeses inside if you want to keep a vegetarian, tomato, anything. This is just a cool way to make a caprese or some canapes. So pretty much what we're going to do, it's a roulade. We're just going to fold it, fold it, fold it, and keep your Glad wrap nice and tense on the top of the bench. Okay? So that's what you want. A sausage roll, pretty much. Okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fold it through with the Glad wrap. So this helps us, one, to have a nice and tight product. Two, it's a chef trick. I use this so that I can actually make the day before, and I can use it when I need it. I'm going to show you a different way as well to make it even more tighter. I'm just going to need some extra space. I'm going to put the Glad wrap long ways. Okay, just a nice big piece. I'm gonna put the mozzarella leaf in the middle. Okay, and you have to make sure that you have enough clean wrap on both sides. And then you're just gonna roll it. We're gonna keep rolling, and you can see it's nice and round and nice and consistent. Just do a knot each side, and your mozzarella leaf, it's ready to go. So at this stage, you can actually put the mozzarella leaf in your fridge and keep it for a couple of days. Just remember, don't fill it up with things too wet, because of course the whole dish is gonna become wet. I'm just gonna grab my chopping board, my plate. Now, like that, if you let it rest, it will be nice, much more tighter, but just I'm gonna cut through to make sure. Don't be scared, cut through the Glad wrap, and that's the end result. A beautiful roll. Every bite you're gonna get the salmon, the mozzarella, the rocket, and then we're just gonna serve it. Of course, be careful not to serve any clean wrap. It will be a fun surprise. Ah, this is the perfect one, look. You can see all around. Again, touch extra virgin olive oil. Always a bit of decoration will make it fun. And this is the mozzarella leaf with salmon.
Thanks guys, and thanks Dario, that was a great suggestion, and thanks for joining me to That's Amore Cheese Report. I'll see you next time.